Welcome to the video. Here we are going to discuss accounting and technology chapter in FR. So in that I'm going to discuss this part which has not been tested in exam, and I feel like this is important. So we'll just see this. Okay. Automation process. So what you are saying, what is an automation process? We are using this automation process, okay, as this is a use of software and other tools. So we are using software and other tools to automate the manual process. So what are the process that has been done manually, now we are converting, we are automating. Why we are doing this? Because to make it faster, more accurate. So this is a basic line you are going to write in your exam if they ask about automation process. Now, if they ask a question about what will you do in the automation process in the front end and back end. Apart from that, if they ask a benefit of automation process all together, how can you remember? This is a thing I'm going to tell here. The first step and the last step is something you have to remember, and other three I have correlated. First one. Now you are going to a supermarket, you are picking your grocery. Once your shopping is done, now you are going to the counter to make a payment. So first the lady or a man is scanning your barcode, right? So the person at the counter merely scans your barcode. So what is happening once the barcode is being scanned? Now first one is inventory is being updated. This is at the back end, okay? So inventory is being updated, okay? Whether this inventory will be correct, so we have to ensure whether the inventory is correct by doing a periodical physical check. So these are the 2 points you can easily remember that will give you a conclusive evidence. So doing the periodical physical check will help you to give the conclusive evidence about the correctness of the data, right? So once the barcode is being scanned, what is the next step? The scanning automatically reads the data and the inputs the item procured and the corresponding selling price. So whenever the barcode is being scanned at the back end, the inventory is updated. Apart from that, the pricing, the corresponding price is also being given, right? So whenever the price is given, along with the price we also add GST, right? So we also add GST. That is the next point in the back end you can remember, right? So in certain cases, software is so programmed that the indirect taxes levied on the sale value as per the invoice is updated simultaneously. So where we are using this, so to update your return, so this will be used, these data, right? So it will help you to have an accurate filing of returns. So you can file it accurately. It will help in that way. So this is your third step, okay? So once you are going to the supermarket, picking your grocery is the first point. Second is your person is scanning the barcode so that the inventory is automatically getting updated. So you have to do what? You have to do physical verification. That will give you conclusive evidence. Then when this is scanned, it will automatically take the input of the data, okay? So thus it will give you the selling price. So when you are getting your selling price, along with that you have to check your GST. So it will help you to file your GST returns, update returns and accurately, okay? It will help you to update the returns accurately. So this is a point you can remember. The last point, last 2 points are correlated. What is that? Once the price, you got the price, now you have to make the payment, right? So whenever you are making the payment, you have to use the point of sale, right? So whenever making the payment, the software is also programmed in such a way that the point of sale machine is automatically displayed, right? So you are scanning and you are paying through UPI or your QR code, etc. And there is also one more addition, that the drawer, if you opt to pay for cash, okay, the drawer will open, cash drawer will open only after giving an input. So that is how it has been programmed. So this will help you when you can give the cash, okay? There will be a control over the cash payment also. So that is how it is being helped, okay? So now by scanning the barcode, each item, the bills are generated with a couple of minutes, within a couple of minutes. This is your Fourth point, finally the customer make the payment, the bill is printed and handed over to the customer. So that is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points in the front end and back end inventory, GST, payment is nothing but POS can be easily remembered. Done? Okay. So once this is done, now we will also understand the benefits. So how will you easily remember the benefits? The first point, there is nothing to remember. Okay. When you go to the second point, as I said, when you scan the barcode, what is happening? When we are scanning the barcode, we can streamline the data entry. Okay, we can streamline the data entry. See here. So this will help you to streamline the data entry, okay, by using the barcode recognition technology, and this can reduce the time and effort of the manual entries. So manual entry will be reduced. So this one you can easily remember. Not only streamlining the data entry, when you are doing the barcode scanning, that will also improve your accuracy. Okay, you are getting the accuracy of your inventory, right? So it is also ensuring your accuracy, so enhancing your accuracy, right? You can write 2 points here. Next, why you are making your GST payment? Okay, while you are making your GST payment, it is accelerating the data processing, because see here, automation can help to process the large amount of data more quickly, accurately. So example you are saying, it is calculating the tax amounts. This is the example I have taken, which is GST. Say for example, it will give the prices and we can also easily calculate the GST. So this is how you can remember the accelerating data processing along with GST. So 3 points is done. Next is the last point will be the payment. Payment is save time and money. What is the save time and money? Here, automation reduces the amount of time and resources required to perform. Obviously, when you are doing your automation, it is going to reduce your time and it is going to save your money, right? So that is how I have linked with the payment. Okay, here you are making the payment. That payment you can relate to the save time and money. Done. So while doing this, while doing all this automation, it is going to help you in the compliance and the decision making. So these are the two out of the box things you have to remember. So with this table, you can remember what is the front end process, what is the back end process, and what are the benefits of automation process. 6 benefits. Okay, now we'll just go to the challenges in automation process. So the challenges is, oh, I will get BP after automation. What is this BP? O stands for ongoing training. So definitely you have to train your people. So that is first one. B stands for there will be a data breaches. So if you automate everything, there can be many chances of your security breach and confidentiality breaches. So that is your second point. And the last point will be your potential loss of job will be there because of your automation. So you can expand and write this point. So OBP is nothing but ongoing training is required for your people. B stands for breaches. There will be data breaches, confidentiality breaches, and P stands for potential loss of job. So that is how we have completed this automation process revision. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. If yes, please leave it in the comment and we'll try to cover the other important areas whichever I feel like. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Be consistent, prepare well. Bye guys.